Michael here, YouTube small engine how-to guru from Taryl Fixes All. And I want to go over 10 basic maintenance tips that you need to do to your equipment this spring. Number 1, you're going to want to change your oil and oil filter. Doing this on a regular basis will prolong the life of your engine. And we don't like dirty oil, so change that oil. And another thing, depending on what part of the country you live in, depends on what weight oil you should use. If you live where you have a hot, warm climate all the time, you're going to want to go with straight 30 weight. If you live in a part of the country where you have a lot of temperature change, you're going to want to go with 10W30. Number 2, just as important as changing the oil and filter is the air filter. Air needs to pass through your air filter in order for your engine to run properly. Running your engine with a dirty air filter is going to make it run inefficiently. So just think of it this way. What if somebody had their hands around your throat? You wouldn't be able to breathe too good, would you? Same with an air filter. So change that air filter. Number 3, your fuel filter. That's important too. Change your fuel filters. Change them on all your equipment, your chainsaws, your weed eaters, your riding mowers, your zero turns. They all have fuel filters, so change your fuel filters. Number 4, if it has blades, don't throw any blades. If it has blades, you might want to sharpen or replace them as well. Here's an example of some blades. Worn out blade, good blade. Take a good look. Number 5, belts. You're going to want to check your belts. You got a drive belt, deck belts. You're going to want to look for cracks, splits. See if they're stretched out. You're going to want to change your belt because guess what? You got to make money with that machine, and if that machine's broke down and ain't making you money, it's in the shop and I'm making money. Number 6, spark plug. Change your spark plugs. I always carry an emergency spark plug around my neck. So change your spark plugs and make sure it's gapped properly. 30 thousandths is a standard for most engines, but you're going to want to check with your manufacturer on the spark plug gap for your spark plug. Number 7, the battery. Check your charger battery. If you got a dead battery, just don't jump it. You need to charge it for at least 4 hours. Most of these small engine batteries only last between 3 and 5 years, so you might have to replace it. And another thing, the alternating system on these small engines isn't powerful enough to charge one of these batteries if it's dead. So that's why it's important for you to charge it with a battery charger for at least 4 hours. And if it's dead, still, then buy a new battery. Number 8, tire pressure. Check your tire pressure on all your tires. Uneven tire pressure can cause an uneven cut. If you got a low tire, it's going to make your mower cut funny. So it's important to check the tire pressure. Make sure tire pressure is the same in all your tires. On a zero-turn mower, uneven tire pressure will cause it to steer funny. So you might want to check that tire pressure. Number 9. What is number 9? Junior, what's number 9?
Grease fittings, Pa! If your piece of equipment's got grease fittings, grease them. Because you want to keep everything lubricated and moving freely. Alright, back to you, Pa.
Good tip, Junior. Now we come to number 10. Your spindles and idler pulleys. Make sure your spindles are spinning free. Make sure you ain't got a bad bearing in one of your spindles or a bad bearing in one of your idlers. Make sure they're not making any kind of noise, rattling or grinding noise. Well, there you have it. 10 tips tips on what to do to get your mowers running and ready for the cutting season this spring. And if you want more information, go to my YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All, for more in-depth how-to videos on some repair problems you may have on your equipment. And like I say at the end of every one of my videos, there's your dinner.